8 of the world's most beautiful national parks. Are you looking for a trip to another world? Why not seek out a wonderful escape in one of the world's national parks? These protected places exhibit the extraordinary grandeur of our world, from waterfalls and glaciers to lakes and rainforests. Have a look at the world's most popular parks. 1. Zion National Park, Utah, USA. The 148,000-acre Zion National Park in southern Utah is home to 270-million-year-old rock layers that have eroded to create some of the most beautiful landscapes on the planet. Its soaring rock walls, cascading waterfalls, and tiny valleys make it a hiker's dream, with trails suitable for walkers of all skill levels and ages. The renowned Angel's Landing Trail is a 5-mile round walk with breathtaking vistas in all directions. And if you want to relax in the middle of nature while spotting wildlife, Zion is the place to go. The park is home to 67 animal species, 291 bird species, and 900 plant species. 2. Banff National Park, Alberta, Canada. The spectacular Canadian Rocky Mountains may be seen at Banff National Park, Canada's oldest national park. The park is made up of magnificent valleys, snow-capped mountains, gleaming glaciers, woods, meadows, and rivers, and it encompasses 6,640 square kilometers of rugged terrain. The flower-filled Sunshine Meadow and the craggy peaks of the Icefields Parkway attract millions of visitors each year. Then there's Lake Louise, with its lovely green waters. During your explorations, keep a lookout for grizzly bears and caribou. The park wilderness is home to some of North America's wildest wildlife. 3. Jayazhegu Valley National Park, Jayazhegu, Ngawa, Sichuan, China. Jayazhegu Valley National Park has been described as a natural wonderland spectacular, and we agree. It's a magical experience, with snowy mountain peaks, peaceful plains, and cascading waterfalls. The forest, which spans 74,132 acres, is home to gigantic pandas and golden monkeys that coexist peacefully with the vast variety of vegetation. In the autumn, the park bursts with color, while in the winter, the Panda Lake waterfall freezes into a wonderland of crystals. But, regardless of when you visit, don't overlook the stunning Jayazhegu, Rise, and Zachawa valleys. 4. Gory National Park, Gory, Turkey. Gory National Park appears to be straight out of a fairy tale. Natural erosion has molded the region magnificently, and the terrain is home to the fascinating fairy chimneys. They were not built by fairies, despite their name. The strange rock formations are the consequence of a geologic process that began with volcanic eruptions millions of years ago. The ash that fell across the region solidified into rock, which eroded over time to form pillars as tall as 130 feet. Despite its location in Turkey's famed Cappadocia area, this magnificent location appears to be on another planet. 5. Torres del Paine National Park, Magallanes Region, Chile. Many consider Torres del Paine National Park to be South America's greatest national park. It is a must-see location because of its historic woods, glaciers, and lakes. The granite pillars dominate the landscape. They tower over the natural magnificence and pristine wildness below, soaring nearly vertically over the Patagonian steppe. This park, however, is not for the faint of heart. Torres del Paine may be a wild and unexpected place to visit, whether on foot, horseback, or even by boat. Relax and enjoy the pleasure of a gorgeous sunset on the lagoon after a busy day of activity. 6. Fearland National Park, Southland, New Zealand. The landscape of Fearland National Park will take your breath away. Snow-capped mountains, gleaming fjords, frozen lakes, and ice-carved valleys all vie for space here. Rivers run through the forest, and the various flora and fauna support plants and animals that have developed to be wholly unique to the region. Milford Sound, a fjord carved out by glaciers throughout the ice ages, is a must-see for visitors, with waterfalls cascading from 1,000-meter-high cliffs. Mitre Peak, a prominent peak that reaches 1,692 meters above sea level, towers above. 7. Jostedalsbreen National Park, Sogn-og-Fjordane, Norway. Jostedalsbreen National Park is known for its diverse natural environments, which include everything from lush valleys to stark mountains and glaciers. It is home to Jostedalsbreen, Europe's largest glacier, which spans about half of the park and splits two of the world's longest fjords, the Sognefjord and the Nordfjord. Visitors will be awestruck by the park's beauty, but blink and you'll miss something. The scenery is continuously changing owing to the glacier's movement. Thawed water frequently forms fresh glacier rivers, which are one of the park's most distinguishing characteristics. 8. Kilimanjaro National Park. Kilimanjaro, Tanzania. Mount Kilimanjaro, Africa's tallest peak and one of the continent's most stunning vistas, is found in Kilimanjaro National Park. The world's tallest freestanding mountain, with an approachable high peak, draws people from all over the world. This natural beauty may be enjoyed by climbers of all levels, but those who don't feel like hiking will be satisfied to simply gaze at it in admiration. Lower down, there's much to see: lush rainforest, alpine meadows, and a hike over the lunar terrain to the Kaibo and Moenzi Twin Peaks.